Conducting surveys for lead generation. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for conducting surveys for lead generation. By providing ChatGPT with clear instructions and questions, it can generate survey questions that are relevant to your target audience. Additionally, ChatGPT can help analyze the data collected from the surveys and provide insights into potential leads. Prompts. Based on specific criteria such as age, gender, location, etc., could you provide me with number of survey questions for lead generation in specific industry or niche? How can I use ChatGPT to create a survey that targets specific demographic or market for lead generation in specific geographic location and specific industry or niche? Additionally, could you provide me with number of survey questions for this purpose? What are some effective ways to analyze survey data collected by ChatGPT for potential leads in specific geographic location and specific industry or niche? Can you provide some insights on specific metric or question and how it could help identify potential leads? After conducting a lead generation survey with ChatGPT in specific industry or niche, could you help me develop a follow-up strategy that includes specific type of communication, such as email or phone call, and specific topic or product that could be of interest to potential leads? Could you help me customize my lead generation survey questions for specific product or service by providing number of questions that are relevant to specific target audience or demographic, and also highlight any potential challenges in generating leads for this product or service? Example. Based on location, could you provide me with 10 survey questions for lead generation in the education industry in Sintra? Certainly. Here are 10 survey questions for lead generation in the AI education industry in Sintra. 1. Have you heard of AI technology before? 2. How interested are you in learning about AI technology? 3. What motivates you to learn about AI technology? 4. Have you taken any AI courses or programs before? If yes, which ones? 5. Would you consider taking an AI course or program in the near future? 6. What format of learning do you prefer when it comes to AI education, in person, online, or hybrid? 7. What specific areas of AI are you most interested in learning about? 8. How important is the reputation of the AI education provider to you? 9. What is your budget for an AI education program? 10. How soon would you like to start an AI education program? These questions should help you to better understand your potential leads in the AI education industry in Sintra and tailor your offerings to their needs and preferences. Tips. Clearly define the target audience and industry/niche before using ChatGPT to generate survey questions. Use open-ended questions in the survey to allow for more in-depth responses that can be used to identify potential leads. Use the data collected from the survey to create targeted follow-up strategies for potential leads. For example, if the survey reveals a potential customer is interested in a specific product or service, follow up with more information about that product or service.